Probably you come from not a very well family. Kila wakati ukikaa shule ndio utaputana na wengine wako watoto wao ama watoto wazazi wao ni wadosi. Sasa unaanza kuona wakati wa visiting wanakuja na magari kubwa kubwa, unaanza kujishikilia huruma. Forget about that. Hii sikustie wasiwasi Sharon. Because as you have said, it's a matter of days you will be a giver, si ndio? Sasa umeketi pande hii, in the next few years tunataka ukalie red carpet. So don't matter. That should not worry you.
I joined Ripples in the year 2018 when I was in class 6, and I've made it out till I did my national exam, which is KCPE of the 2020, and I scored 397. I thank God for that. I also thank the organization and the directors for the program, because I don't know where I would be by now, but thank you so much. Right now I'm on the receiving side, but it is my hope and my prayer that a few years to come I'll be on the giving side. And it is also my prayer that you continue with the same spirit and to continue to helping and lifting other children in the community.
You are going to be students. Appreciate that you must be students. I want to encourage you to uphold high degree of morals. You must be boys and girls of a high morality for you to succeed.
One of our core business as this organization is reaching out and uplifting the standards of the community, and particularly in education and saving lives.
The beneficiaries who are here today are some of our beneficiaries that have graduated from primary school. We have been with them, like we have had, at the primary school level, and we are continuing with them to high school, and if they do well, we'll continue with them up to the highest level of the academic they want to achieve.
Nashukuru on behalf of caregivers wengine, tuko pamoja, na kama vile mzoto amesema, hata sisi soon and very soon tutajiunga na nyinyi kusaidia watoto wengine, na tutasaidia watoto wetu ili waweze kusaidia wengine watakao wako nyuma yao. Mungu abariki, na tunawaombea wanapoenda kujiunga na shule ya upili. Tunawaombea waendelee kufanya vizuri ili hata sisi nyinyi mkiwasaidia Mungu mna furaha kuatia nguvu ya kusaidiana zaidi.
Support children within the community that come from very vulnerable backgrounds. So that's an opportunity for us to connect and then take care of some of the needs. We even sometimes put up shelters for some of these families, especially child-headed households, where we look for dilapidated houses. We go in and support by building structures or homes for these families. We also support in other ways, like taking them to school, ensuring that their fees are paid, ensuring that they have food at home, and any kind of support that will allow them to live a very comfortable life.